Good day, folks. I'm your host for Physics 182. I welcome you all in this course. Hopefully, you guys are enjoying a great weather. This is me. And first of all, I wanted to welcome everyone. So some of the students have done Physics 181 with me. Just to those students, I wanted to tell you, everything's going to remain the same. It's just you did the chapter number 1 to 8 with me. Now we are moving from chapter number 9 to chapter number 16. All right. As I also said that there are some students who are totally new. So this is a beneficiary introductory video where you can get to know how the course gonna roll out for you guys. So everything you will find under the announcements. So that's down here. So all the video lectures will be provided to you under this section. And if I wanted to communicate with you guys, I'll keep on posting the announcement down here too. Now, the important dates, it is provided to you under the upcoming events. You can also find these important dates under the assessments and then assignments and the test. So first of all, I'm going to go to the test section. Under the test section, you will find the test 1 and test 2, and on top of that you will find the 3 labs down here. So labs are also under the test section, but for the labs, you're going to get the 3 chances. For the test 1 and test 2, you're only going to get the 1 chance to do it. And then it's going to open up at a specific times. For example, for test 2, it's going to open up July 28th, and it's going to stay up to the August 2nd, shall I say. And for the test 1, also the dates have been rolled out down here. So starting on the June 9th goes up to the June 14th. You get 1 week to write the test 1. Now, as I said, for the labs, you're going to get the whole week to write not the whole week. I means you can do it pretty much from the beginning, get go, if you know the syllabus. But I'll highly recommend, let's say if you wanted to do the lab number 1, I'll highly recommend you guys to study the chapter number 9 and then start doing the lab work. So let me give you the demo of the lab. So as soon as I get into this one, and let me preview it and start it. So you're gonna get a screen something like this. In this one, you're gonna get a simulation lab, and you're gonna click on this one, and this simulation lab is gonna open up for you. And there are certain questions which been asked to you, and then you will answer based on your work. So for example, if I try to answer the first one, the unit of momentum is, I think it is kg meters per second. I might be wrong, but that's what I'm going to mark it as. And then for the second one, so these questions, for example, both the velocity were doubled and the mass were doubled, what will be the total momentum? I think it's going to be the third one. And then if the velocity is doubled, then only velocities were doubled, then I think the momentum is going to be 2 times. So as I said, you're going to do the chapter number 9, and then you will be able to answer these questions. And then to do the other lab work, you will go to the simulation and try and answer some of these questions. If there is any mistake or you're not being able to answer, don't panic, just send me an email and I will try and look into it. But I am pretty sure that all of them are correct. If there is, just wanted to give you a heads up. There might be one of them might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I changed it. But if you ever find something wrong in this, just send me an email with regards to this. All right, and then there is question number 6, and so on and so forth, and you will answer these questions. Sometimes you will find, so for example, here the total kinetic energy came out to be, let's say 3.812, and you answered it as 3.81, and the system's going to mark it wrong. So don't panic. The marks you're going to get from here are not the final marks. I'm going to look into your work, and then if that is the situation, I'm going to change those marks. All right, now moving to the next thing. So the test. For the test, here I posted a dummy test for you guys, this one. So try and do this dummy test so that you can be well prepared how to attempt the test. So I'm going to click into this one, preview, and start the test. So these are some dummy questions which are posted here just to so that you can be ready with the settings of your computer. You need to make sure your camera is switched on while writing the test and midterm and the final too. And also your screen's going to get recorded. So do this dummy test. That will help you to set up your computer screens. And if you couldn't set up your computer screen, come and see me in tutorials, which I do on Saturday from 12 to 4, or you can see me on Thursdays 3 to 4. Let me just quickly go back and see what time before I make any commitment about the time. So the Thursdays, it is 2 to 3 p.m. using this link. So I will be available on this link. As soon as you're going to click on this link, that's going to you're going to be able to join me via online mode, but that's on Thursday. So here is one thing which I also wanted to tell you. If these timings doesn't work for you guys, then please make sure you try and book some time with me if you are struggling, but the onus lies onto you guys. This is one of the responsibilities I want to set up with you guys as a commitment for this course, that if you have any problems, you're going to come and see me for the problems. And then those classes which I'm talking about, the in-person classes from 12 to 4, those are just a walk-in. If you have any problem, you can come and see me in library, SATE library, anytime. All right, moving back to what we were discussing about the test. So down here, under the test 1 and test 2, there will be certain multiple choice questions, 6 to 7 multiple choice questions, and 3 to 4 long answer questions. Long answer questions will only be math problems. There is no theory on them. So for the multiple choice questions, you're going to answer them on the screen. So let me open up this dummy so that you will be able to visualize it better. Preview, start test. And if I see this one, so for example, this one, there are multiple choice question. Is Earth flat? I think true or false, maybe false. And then 2 plus 2 is 3. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. And maybe none of the given options. And then for the long answer questions, type in your name. If you are really good in typing, then you can answer your question on the screen. But the math problems, they are generally math problems, and it's kind of hard to answer them or type them on the screen. So I'll highly recommend you to solve all the question on a piece of paper and then send via the email to me. Please make sure you keep the right email with you, because a lot of students end up sending it at a wrong address. So I am right now telling you, if you're not going to send it on the right address, then the responsibility will be yours for losing out on the marks. Because let's say you send it to some other email and then I keep waiting for it, and after 1 or 2 days you get an email from me saying that where is your written response. You're going to say that, oh, I accidentally sent it to someone. Then it will be kind of hard for me to accept the test. Okay, so please make sure you keep this email with you, and do not misspell this email while sending me the email. All right, so that was about test. Same way, there is a midterm. Midterm has 10 to 15 multiple choice questions and then 6 to 7 long answer questions. And for final, there will be pretty much, 10 to 15 multiple choice questions and also six to 7 long answer questions. Final exam is comprehensive. Midterm syllabus is chapter 1 to 4. I think I've provided all that information under the course schedule also. So down here, there is course schedule. Yeah. So here, so test 1, syllabus for test 1 is chapter 9, 10, and 11. And syllabus for midterm is chapter 9, 10, 11, and 12. And syllabus for test 2 is chapter 13, 14, and 15. And syllabus for final is including everything. It's a comprehensive exam. For final, there will be one question from each chapter. And yeah, that's pretty much about this. And one more thing, the important pages I've mentioned down here, the pages you must study. Other than that, especially for the new students, down here you will also get solution books from me. So solution books are down here. So all those chapters which you will be studying, you can find the solution of those questions, the book page numbers as I mentioned. And if you cannot solve those questions, just refer to this one or come and see for my help. All right, moving back to the course homepage. Here, down here, these are introductory video, and after that, these are the videos on the different chapters. If you want to use it, use it. If you don't want to use it, you wanted to do the self-study, go ahead and do the self-study. Yeah, I think I pretty much covered everything for you guys. Just gonna quickly look into, is there anything I need to cover for you guys? The book, yes, the book is same as the Physics 181. So for some of you guys don't know from where to find the book, so I will tell you. I'm gonna change my computer screen and show you where you can find that book. This book is not in the library, and this book you can buy it on Kijiji, or you can come and see me if you need any help. I can provide you a soft copy of the book, and it is actually a open resource. So let me show you where you can find this book from. If you're gonna type in grade 12 book, you should be able to find it, but I'm just trying to change the setting of my computer screen. Here, down here, this is the book. So this is the book, and you can, oops, I think I accidentally went some other place. So this is the book, and all the chapters are given down here, and try and download this book so that you don't miss out on this book. All right, so if you have any question, feel free to send me an email, and I pretty much covered everything what is required. And yeah, the formula booklet is also provided to you down here. This is the formula booklet. Course schedule is being provided to you. If you wanted to add some formulas on your formula booklet, please first of all send me a picture of that, and then if I approve it, then write it on your formula booklet. Otherwise, don't write it on your formula booklet. And all the important dates are given down here. These are the dates when these are the end dates, shall I say. Yeah, that midterm's gonna start on 23rd, I guess, and finish on 28th. So don't confuse it with the start date. Okay, so I wish you all the best for this course, and yeah, if you have any question, shoot me an email. And if I couldn't answer your email immediately, please send me another email or send me a text message. It's accidental if I couldn't answer your email. It's not personal that I don't wanted to answer your email. I wanted to ignore you. That's not the case. Sometimes accidentally I can miss the emails, and it had happened in past, and it may happen in future also, but I'll try my best to answer your emails as fast as I can. So what I'm trying to say is, if you don't hear back, don't take it on to your ego, and that, oh, he didn't answer my email, blah blah different things, and start making stories in your brain. Just shoot me another email and I will reply back your email. So with that, I wish you all the best for this course, and if you have any questions or concerns, send me an email, call me, text me, whatever way you wanted to reach to me, you can do that. And I think I provided my phone number also down here. All right, I'll see you on with some other video. Till then, goodbye.